Hey guys, this is D.I.Y Eddie coming from Huntington Beach. We actually just purchased this mobile home. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. I'm on my phone, so forgive some of the shakiness. So I was in here yesterday. The house is a 1972. I was in here yesterday. We'll start in the back. So I started taking some stuff out. It's gonna need a lot of work. They left a lot of stuff in here. Be tearing out all the floors. That's how the backyard looks here. All right, and this side. So we're about, I want to say about 3 minutes from the beach. So we get this at a really good deal, I should say. But as you can see, the condition is not ideal. There's pet feces there. I left the shed here, and this is the parking area here. So the last video that I made was of our barbecue, and we actually sold our house up in Northern California and relocated down here. That looks like a desk lamp. So that's the outside. Inside, so it's going to be a long series. So you can see there, it's going to need some roof repairs. We're probably going to do overlay on the roof. I'm going to remove all the floor. This is the master here. The closet, they kind of jerry-rigged it. And there's the restroom there. All that's going to get ripped out. I don't know what this is. Looks like a vanity of some sort. But that's here. This is the bathroom. I don't know why it's in a corner like that. Hey. This is the great job, the silicone job that they did there. Look at that. I mean, look at those. Yeah. Like I mentioned, we started ripping some stuff out. As you can see here, I started ripping some stuff out. Yeah, there's a bit of a problem. I don't know if you can see it right there. The floor here is level, and here it dips down. And if you guys recognize, what that is, termite damage. So, all that, I vacuumed it all up, but all here, and then this is another bathroom. So, let me see. So let's go to the room. Here is really soft. I lifted that, and it seems like it's been wet here, or it's still kind of moist. Got some soft spots there, soft spots right here. You can see there. Taking all that, throwing in the trash. That one, throwing in the trash. And this is the bathroom here. Let me see. There's the light. So the bathroom here, all that's getting gutted. See, I think this is just the access panel, but they put a tub. I mean, right here, it's soft, like around the vents here. I mean, the door even gets stuck on the vent there. Yeah, this is what I got ourselves into. So this is like the dining area here. You can see here, we got a central heater. Doesn't work, so I need to figure that out. And the lovely kitchen. Yes, all that's getting tore up. All that new cabinets, island here. We're gonna see about that wall because that one's on the center there. I kind of opened it up a little bit. Stackable washer dryer. You see the connections and the whatever they did there. Yeah, so don't mind. I came in here last night putting all my tools down, and that's my new tripod. So this is the wall here. Yeah, I don't think it's structural. I mean, if you guys think otherwise. So this one's like a 1 by 3, and these are the 2 by 3s. And I was looking down there, further down there, and that one goes on an angle. It uses a 2x3s going that way. So I know from here, that way I'm okay, because this is a part that's touching what they call like the marriage line, which is the two parts of the mobile home coming together. So we'll continue going this way. So they ended up replacing these front windows with the Pell something windows. So it's a double pane here. That's going away. They try to paint the glass right there, but you can see here, see how that's sagging. This is all that right there. These floors are all going out. You see there. I don't know, they probably bought something that was on special. Got some soft spots there. As you can see, the floors here, they're lifting up. There's some plates for us. That's kind. The old windows here, cabinets. I mean, these things are. I haven't even looked down here, but they lift all that trash, everything there. And this one, that was a guy telling me. He said it works, but then to shut it off. I mean, yeah. So this is the next project. I'm starting to rip it out, so I just got here. Thought I'd just film here. That's the old, probably original flooring. I'm gonna start tearing out this floor. I'm gonna start taking some of these panels off because I need to see the extent to this damage. Possibly get a tent to cover for the fumigation, and then check out that door. If that doesn't scream out 70s, I don't know what does. So that's getting replaced because we don't have any pets. Replacing the light switches. Basically redoing this whole place. So you'll see as I go. I'm just going to start tearing stuff off. So hope you guys enjoy this one. This is going to be long, but I think it's going to look so much different without this wall, and all this flooring is going up. So many more things in the backyard. I can't really do anything right now. I'm just gonna start power washing back there so my daughters can play in the back at least while I'm working in here, because I don't want them breathing any of this stuff. But I'll give you guys one more glimpse. Please, please, please share, like, subscribe. Over in Southern California, there's a lot of places that are expensive. The rent space is about $2,100, but we are 3 minutes from the beach, so convenience. Some you might say I'm crazy, but I think it's a good step, because I am building my business as well. I do medical equipment repair, refurbishing, and sales. So I have my warehouse and building that little by little. So at least this will get us out of our 5th wheel trailer. This is the other sort of dining area. I don't know. There's a glimpse that way. So please, please subscribe, support, share. If you're thinking about it, we'll help each other out. And hopefully you guys enjoy it.